Kinfolk, what they do? It's your boy Kinfolk the Jump Rope. Back at you again with another video. And today, hold on. Y'all hear that? What time it is? Crunch time. What time it is? Crunch time. That's right, Kinfolk. It's crunch time. And today, we're on day 21, 30 day 50 crunch challenge. That's right, Kinfolk. We're on day 21, 30 day 50 crunch challenge. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Remember, you gotta stop and take a break. Take a break. But you got this. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Woo! Oh, burn, Kinfolk. Yes, they do. But they burn so good. But we did that. And we did it together. You and me, baby. We did that together. Now that will complete our day 21, 30 day 50 crunches challenge. And always remember, I can do it, you can do it, and we're gonna do it together. See you in the next video.